If you are dealing with an elevated sugar level, then you should be concerned for diabetic nephropathy, kidney stones, proteinuria, nephrotic syndromes, urinary tract infections and kidney infections, acute kidney injury and chronic kidney injury. All of these fall under the category of kidney diseases, which are caused by elevated sugar levels. No doubt, blood sugar is one of the top 3 reasons for kidney failure worldwide. In today's video, you will learn how your sugar level can damage your kidneys and what sort of kidney issues can arise. Hello and good morning. Welcome back to Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. I am Dr. Neha, and today I will clear all your doubts related to diabetes and kidney stones. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon below to stay updated for more health related videos. So let's begin the topic. Your kidneys filter blood and removes the toxins, waste products from your body. But this filtration may get hampered if any disease happens to your kidneys, maybe because of high blood pressure, high glucose levels, alcohol consumptions and certain medications. But how do diabetes is one of the top reasons for your kidney damage? Let's just get to know about it. See, consuming sugar is not a problem unless you are diabetic. But if you are diabetic and you're fond of excess sugary foods, then you should be a bit careful, as your toxins have to work extra hard and put out extra glucose from your blood outside your body. Over time, this constant overload can damage the tiny blood vessels of your kidneys, leading to kidney disease and eventually kidney failure. If you are diabetic, then you might be at a probably higher risk of kidney disease, as diabetes and kidney disease, they're directly linked to each other. The raised blood sugar levels in your blood may affect your kidney functions over time. This condition is called as diabetic nephropathy. Diabetic nephropathy has affected 20 to 50% of the population with diabetes, may it be type 1 or type 2, any of it. Too much sugar, especially from sodas, processed food, can increase the risk of kidney stones as well. Kidney stones are hard mineral deposits that form inside your kidneys with severe pain and difficulty in urination. High glucose levels and high blood pressure are two main reasons of chronic kidney diseases. They hamper the kidney functions and damage kidney over time. Proteinuria is a sign that your kidneys are allowing protein, especially albumin, to leak into urine. This happens when your kidneys are damaged, and high sugar levels are one of the top reasons for it. Now I come to nephrotic syndrome. Diabetes can damage kidney filters, that is glomeruli, which leads to nephrotic syndrome, which causes protein leakage in the urine, swelling and high cholesterol levels. A raised blood sugar level is often linked with diabetes, as we all know, can potentially increase the risk of developing urinary tract infections, because the excess sugar in the urine creates a favorable environment for the bacteria to grow and breed, making it easier for an infection to take hold. If UTI is left untreated, it can spread to kidneys, causing kidney infections. Acute kidney injury occurs when your kidney suddenly loses the ability to filter waste products from your blood. It may develop within hours and just within days as well. People with diabetes are at a higher risk of AKI, that is acute kidney injury, because diabetes damages the kidney over time. AKI can make kidney problems worse, leading to chronic kidney disease and eventually kidney failure. We have discussed everything related to diabetes and kidney problems. High blood sugar is no doubt a major reason for developing kidney disease. And if you do not offer a preventive measure to control diabetes, then it may lead to kidney failure. Well, these are all the kidney complications that can arise if you remain unconcerned about your diabetes and kidney health. But no worries, homeopathy is here to help you and do wonders for your kidneys. Yes, homeopathy treats your kidney disease without putting medicinal pills load on your kidneys. You do not have to take big and bitter pills to control your kidney problems and your circulating blood sugar levels. You can now get relief from your kidney disease just with small and tiny sugar pills dipped in potent alcohol-based medicines. It targets the disease from the root and starts working on your whole constitution, meaning homeopathy treats the patient as a whole and not just the disease itself. Bharat Homeopathy has treated thousands of patients, specifically talking about kidney patients worldwide, and offered them a medicinal-free and dialysis-free lifestyle. The kidney issue is not a big issue now. Just embrace holistic medicine and notice a major improvement in your kidney disease. We offer what you trust, an effective and side effect-free treatment. If you want to know more about kidney treatment, you can call us today and talk to our team. Thank you and have a nice day.